In this video we're gonna do a very quick and easy repair, and that's a front, frunk, hood, struts for 2002 Porsche 911 996. Now 986 Boxer gonna be identical. They both have exact same hood or frunk. As you can see, it doesn't hold. Now there are a couple ways to keep hood up. You could try to put some big stick here. I'm gonna use vice grips on an old strut, and now it's holding it. So we'll start with this one. I'm gonna open the package, and it actually comes with installation guide. And for this I'm just gonna use a big flathead screwdriver, pry it out. And actually that wasn't enough, so find something else to hold the hood. So this one is disconnected. Now I'm gonna disconnect this one. This one we should be able to do without even a screwdriver. So here it is. Now we're gonna insert the new one. Turn this counterclockwise if you have to, and then push it in. And this one is done. Let's move to the next one. I'm gonna remove vice grips. Same thing here. I'm gonna push screwdriver right here and try to remove it. And bottom one should just come out like this. Installation, same thing. Push this one in. Rotate this if you have to. And push it in. And that's it. Alright, let's see. It's holding it just well. Let's see how much resistance I get when I try to close the hood. Perfect. I'm gonna try to open the hood now. That's awesome. That's how I replaced hood struts on 2002 Porsche 911. It's very simple, took just a couple of minutes. I'll provide Amazon affiliate links for those struts I used. If you have any questions, let me know. I'll try to reply as soon as I can. I'll make many more repair videos with this Porsche. There are still at least 5-6 small issues to fix, and all those repairs are going to be shown on my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.